cow stretch. This works the back, and neck, and the stomach organs as well, the belly. Okay, so to get into our position, we are going to bring the hands down onto the mat. So this is our table position to start off with. You want to make sure that the hands are just below the shoulders, in line with the shoulders. Fingers are nice and wide spread, and your feet are flat, so nails facing downwards. And we're going to do cow stretch first, and then we'll do cat, because it just flows nicely. So for cow, you're going to inhale, and you're going to start to look up, just looking straight ahead, and you drop your tailbone. So you can see my tailbone dropped, and my chest and head are up. Let's just come back to our normal table position so we can see that movement again. For cow stretch, inhale, and the tailbone dropped. It's like you're sticking your booty out. Okay, so this is a nice relaxation on the hips and on the lower back. Just eases it up, and it extends and stretches the front of the body, torso, front torso. A little bit of lengthening on the chest as well. And then back into our table. So now from here, let's try it. And let's try it a couple more times, and then we'll get into cat stretch. Inhaling. And while you're there in your cow stretch, you're just breathing normally and looking straight ahead of you at a point that's comfortable on the eyes, comfortable gaze. It's really nice to release the lower back and hips, and keep your stomach muscles nice and loose. Don't tighten them, so you can breathe freely. All right, now we'll get into our cat stretch. So for this one, we would come to table. You're going to inhale here, and exhale as you start to round your back, rounding it as much as you can, tucking the chin in, just allowing the head to drop. And this is a long exhale, and then you would come back to table, or you could go into cow, and it flows nicely from these two positions. So inhale and exhale as you're starting to round your back. Fully exhale, and you're sucking the belly in towards the spine as if it's kissing the spine. Now the stomach muscles tighten, stomach organs tighten. And then release, inhale, cow stretch. Exhale, cat. Fully exhale. Pull that belly in as if it's kissing the spine. Fully exhale. When you're ready to inhale, you come back up into cow. It's just a nice movement, smooth flow from one to the other. And cat stretch is really good for feeling that stretch in the back muscles and spine, and it allows the neck to release. It's working the digestive organs, tightening, toning the belly as we pull it in. So here, I'm talking, but you basically just want to exhale here until you're ready to inhale into cow. Exhale, cat stretch. This is a really nice pose that you can do easily several rounds of these. And then finally coming into table. And that is your cat and cow stretch to work the back and abdominal organs.